always like to kind of pull my legs back and let's just circle the feet, get some blood flowing through the legs, point flex, point flex. And then we're going to stretch center, left, right, center. And I like to kind of bounce a little bit. It really kind of warms the legs up. And then we're going to slow it down and flex the foot and try to grab the toes. Walk the hand down the shin a little bit, take your full breath. And then we're going to come to the center and walk the arms forward. And I'm trying to lower my forearms down. Take a full breath. And then we'll come to the other leg. Maybe you grab your ankle if you're not quite there, touching the toe yet. That's fine too. Coming back to the center when you're ready. Then when you're ready, we're going to sit up and then bring one hand behind us and low and slow. Think hip, shoulder, out the fingers. We're coming low on that bent arm. It's a nice low back stretch. If you go fast, you won't really get the benefit of it. So the lower you come on that bent arm, the deeper the stretch. And I'm trying to straighten the arm near my head too. And then we're going to come forward with the arms, maybe touching towards the toe or in front of the foot, whatever feels good to your back. Let's just do a little side stretch too, rounding the arm up over the head, our obliques, side muscles here. And I like to also stretch forward and grab both the ankles and just kind of pull myself down. Maybe you can even touch your toes. I used to not be able to do this. And it's really kind of an intense exercise, but just breathe and relax. And we'll pull the soles of our feet together. We're going to come into butterfly, pulling the feet into you, clasping the hands over the toes, and we're going to bounce. Need to get a haircut soon next week. My hair's getting in my eyes. I'm sure you can relate to that, huh? Right before it's time to get a haircut and get your hair done. And then we're going to inhale, stop, inhale, exhale, diving forward, and then lift the body up. So use your core to hold you up. We're going to do 2 breaths. And then let's come into half butterfly. So I'm going to pull one leg back and pull it back far. Bring the sole of the foot to the thigh. Let's just point flex, maybe do some circles with the foot. Just loosen up the ankle and bring the hands behind you. We're going to inhale, sit nice and tall. Exhale, diving forward and then turning a little bit to the side. So I'm walking my hands up, up, up. I'm trying to lower down kind of on my forearms. And maybe you can bring your nose to your knee. Just relax all the way down. And then we're going to slowly push ourselves up. And then we're going to do the other leg, half butterfly on the other leg. So again, try to kind of pull the leg back. Sole of the foot to the thigh. Hands behind you. Let's just point flex, just loosen up that foot, stretch the ankle. And then we'll stop and we'll inhale. Exhale, diving forward. Turn to the side a little bit, laying the torso down on that bent leg. And we'll take 2